This video captures a chaotic and frustrating courtroom hearing involving a man connected to the sovereign citizen movement and Judge Simpson. Right from the start, the courtroom becomes tense as the defendant refuses to cooperate with basic legal procedures. He is facing serious charges related to assaulting, resisting, or obstructing a police officer, but instead of directly answering the judge's questions, he repeatedly argues over wording and claims he does not understand the court's authority or the legal process. Judge Simpson patiently tries to explain the seriousness of the charges and warns the defendant about the dangers of representing himself in court. However, the defendant continues interrupting, refusing to stay focused, and attempting to control the conversation with unusual legal arguments often associated with sovereign citizen ideology. Throughout the hearing, the judge repeatedly instructs him to sit down, stop interrupting, and answer simple yes or no questions, but the defendant refuses to fully cooperate. As the hearing continues, the tension in the courtroom keeps rising. Even though the defendant's behavior becomes increasingly disruptive, the judge still gives him multiple chances to calm down and think carefully about his decisions. At one point, Judge Simpson even grants an adjournment so the defendant can have more time to prepare and better understand the consequences of his actions. Despite this opportunity, the defendant continues arguing and interrupting the proceedings. Eventually, the judge's patience runs out. After several warnings and repeated disruptions, Judge Simpson orders the defendant to be removed from the courtroom. The hearing highlights how courtroom authority and legal procedure can quickly break down when a defendant refuses to cooperate or follow the rules of the